How to do Morph text effect in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Bring a Text Plus node, select it, and press Shift plus space. Search for Dissolve, Blur, Bitmap and add them. Disconnect Bitmap from Blur node and connect Blur to the yellow input of the bitmap. And connect Bitmap to Media Out. Select the text, type some text, and change its style to your liking. Select the text and press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Click anywhere empty and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Connect the new text to the green input of the Dissolve node and change its text. Move the playhead to the start and select Dissolve node. Set background foreground to 0 and click on diamond button next to it to add a keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 30 and set it to 1 to add another keyframe. Now we have this Dissolve text effect. Select Blur node and move the playhead to the start again. Set blur size to 0 and click on diamond button next to it. Move the playhead to frame 15 and set blur size to 10. Move playhead to frame 30 and set it to 0 again. Now we have this blur dissolve text effect. Select bitmap node and play around with low and high values until you're happy with the result. Move the playhead around and change these two values to your liking. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.